Ucabangani-ke ngoba phela nawe ngabe ulana eLondon kanye nami, inkinga yakho iyodwa, usaba abangani bakho, usaba omakhelwane bakho. Uyafisa, ngiyakwazi ukuthi deep down uyafisa nawe ukuyenza i-content and ngiyakwazi ukuthi unama-idea a-right angakwenza nawe ube seyintweni uyibone umenywa ko-content creator events umhlaba wonke. Inkinga yakho usaba abangani bakho. Angazi ukuthi nayisabani imali yaka-social media ngoba umqomo waku-social media nihamba phambili niyalida. Kodwa mese kuthiwa nayi ithuba lokuthi nenze imali, njengoba nithi imisebenzi ayikho, cha. Niyabaleka-ke mese kuthiwa kwenziwa imali ku-social media. Hhayi-ke thina esingasabi-ke siyahamba-ke iy'ndawo ezi-right kakhulu. Lana-ke bengikwi-YouTube event eLondon, hhayi e-East London, eLondon. Ngizokwenza engidume ngakho. It was such a beautiful event and a very beautiful place. Basihosta kahle ka-YouTube. Ngibe nenkinga-ke nje eyi mese kudliwe abelungu. Abelungu. Oh, is this the food you have, guys? You don't have real food. It looks bigger on the camera.
Vegan, and gluten-free as well. They are shiitake mushroom tartare with kombu mayonnaise. Really crisp. Really good.
Phuma kwi-event, first thing wathi ukuphi u-KFC ngala ngoba uphuma ulambile kodwa ufidiwe. Hhayi asikho-ke kodwa lapho phela bebethi badlisa bayatsaka bakhipha unyawo kanti balikhiphela umuntu orongi. Basipha-ke nama-gift njengenhlala yenza, kwamnandi kwanjeyana. Besikhuluma nge-climate change and I am so excited to be part of the content creator space yase-YouTube. Bekumnandi kakhulu, bekumnandi kakhulu. Mina ngithi wena-ke ngiyaku-encourage ukuthi mane uyenze nawe oyi-content. Uyacabanga ukuthi mhlampe nawe ubuzomenywa nje kwamanye ama-events. Uyacabanga ukuthi wathi usayihlalele nje nge-content yakho kuthiwa sihambe siye e-France no-YouTube. Cabanga busy uyasaba, saba abangani bakho abangeke bakwenzele lutho. Anyway, I had a good time. Kwaze kwaba mnandi ukuba i-content creator. These are some of the things that make me enjoy what I do even more as it opens so many opportunities. And I wish nawe ungamane uyeke ukusaba abangani bakho. Wozani ma-Essence content. Kulungile-ke, bye. I love you.